Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with Pixpa. Use the link to Pixpa in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Pixpa is an easy, all-in-one portfolio website builder for photographers creators to create portfolio websites with a built-in online store, blog, and client. Head over to Pixpa and sign up for a free trial. This gives you a chance to experiment with the platform before committing to a paid plan. Pixpa offers various plans depending on your needs, so explore their options to see which one suits you best. Pixpa offers a variety of website templates designed for different purposes like photography portfolios, businesses, or blogs. Browse through the templates and pick one that aligns with your website's theme and style. Remember, you can customize the template later, so don't worry about it being perfect at this stage. Most websites will have multiple pages for different sections like About Us, Services, or a contact page. Pixpa allows you to easily add new pages and edit existing ones. You can use the drag-and-drop builder to add elements like text, images, videos, and galleries to your pages. Pixpa offers a good range of customization options. You can change the fonts, colors, and overall layout of your website to match your brand identity. They also let you add things like menus, forms, and social media icons to enhance your website's functionality. While Pixpa offers a free subdomain, for a more professional touch, you can connect your own custom domain name to your website. This typically involves purchasing a domain name from a registrar and then linking it to your Pixpa site. Once you're happy with how your website looks and functions, it's time to publish it. Pixpa makes the publishing process straightforward. After publishing, your website will be live on the internet for everyone to see. Pixpa offers several pricing plans to fit different needs and budgets. The plans start at $8 per month and extend until $25 per month. There is a 40 to 55% discount when you go for an annual subscription. Basic plan $8 per month. Essentials to create your personal website, including mobile-optimized websites, access to all templates up to 10 pages, up to 200 gallery images, a custom domain name, etc. Creator plan $15 per month. Step up with a stunning portfolio website in store, including mobile-optimized websites, premium templates, unlimited images, connect your domain, a free domain for 1 year with an annual plan, password protection of pages, and many more. Professional plan $20 per month. Everything you need to showcase, sell, and share like a pro, including mobile-optimized websites, premium templates, unlimited images, connect your domain, a free domain for 1 year, with an annual plan, password protection of pages, and many more. Advanced plan $25 per month. Grow your business with powerful marketing and commerce tools, including mobile-optimized websites, premium templates, unlimited images, connect your domain, a free domain for 1 year, with an annual plan, password protection of pages, and many more. Don't forget to use the link to Pixpa in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.